Good morning, everyone. What's up, YouTube? Let's do it. Doing great. Welcome in. I'm going to unmute Team Bull and talk to them for a bit. If you have any questions, YouTube, drop them in chat. And remember, you can go to grizzlytrades.com, and that's where you can find the link to all my socials, funded accounts, all that good stuff. Nope, no trades yet. You have to wait on candle close to confirm. And it is an open in 5-minute candle, so it would be automatically more risk on that trade. Okay? Good morning. What's up, Jada?
What up, dog?
How's your morning been?
It has been spectacular, man. How's yours been?
It's been good.
Good. I got nothing to complain about on my end. Testing NQ loans, guys. NQ loans. What's up, Big Papa?
Greg tried some NQ longs. Definitely not taking that one. But you all do as you please. 422 is his average. I see more downside, but
Got a nice pump on Tesla this morning. Ooh, let's see. You got some Tessie baby on
I hope it pumps for him.
Oh, real nice pump. Oh, yeah. I'll have this little current uptrend entry. I don't have any, like, specific levels.
Jeffrey, if you have some specific questions, we can answer them in here. Try to.
47.5. I actually like that a lot. We can get it.
Pretty sure we have a Fed speaker right now, everyone, as well. So.
With book maps, I didn't learn to use book map. I never really used it before, but I've heard lots of good things. Heard lots of great things about the book map. Yeah, act like I don't use it every day. I'll teach you.
Good morning.
Teach me. Teach me some $5,000 an hour, though. Yeah? I'll make it back on book map. I'll make it back. It ain't no thing. Will you give me financial advice on book map? My broker edge clear is something similar to that too. Come on, dude. We should. Tesla's banging off the open. I'll watch Tesla. I'm open to Tesla.
Good morning. Good morning.
348 for calls. Longs calls.
Good morning. Good morning.
I actually like that stuff a lot.
Oh, my dog come in here. Hang on.
Yeah, I like that 349.
Dog was just hanging out.
Don't make me start trading Tesla again.
I don't trust this entry, everyone.
Don't make me start trading Tessie baby again.
See, the candles like this, yeah, I don't like entering on. You can't hardly see it, but wicked up. No entry yet. Let's give the market 15 minutes, okay?
Getting juiced up now. As long as the juice is here.
I don't like taking the trade off the first 5 minute candle in this market. It just isn't
Because we
it.
got the juice. Swine Q today, let's just talk about that for a second. Getting a slight push up here, trying to hold this 400 area. Key level from yesterday. As far as our...
It's just the way you're got it set up. I can help you get it where you can see it like mine.
As far as our key hourly levels, I'd like to see a key hourly close above 21,460, and if we really want to get some push up above that 21,490. If we close above that, we got a lot of room up to 560s, and then above that, a lot of room to the upside. It's been a big area of supply for us as of recently.
My main watch, everyone, is trend below pre-market low on NQ. I'm looking for a short entry once we get below pre-market low. Looking for a lower high entry on the 5 minute.
Over high entry. Come on, keep going, keep going. Keep pushing, baby, keep pushing. No, pump it up. Get to pump it. What was your entry, Greg?
Entry was a 422.
Also right around break even right now.
Yep.
Right around break even.
2142. You're playing with this 415 hard, so.
Candle lit, we're in business. Candle lit, we are in business.
Oh.
I don't like this. I'm closing the lunch, guys. I don't like it. They lose 415.
That's why we don't take trades on the first 5 minute candles, YouTube. It just doesn't match my strategy. Matches Greg's, not mine.
Got so much I need to say. Video. You staying patient today, Mr. Gene? What?
You got Mr. Gene today?
What'd you say, Brandon?
Said you got Mr. Gene today?
Every day now that he graduated.
Nice.
I'm about to NQ lunch again. Enter NQ lunch. NQ lunch.
Strong bounce off that pre-market low.
He faded me out, but now I took it back. 418. Let's see if we can get 452.
Sorry, I just do not like longs here. I don't know. I got Team Bull muted, so I'm just talking to you all YouTube, but I don't like longs here. I hope it prints, but...
Let's see what we get. We are 10 minutes into the day. No need to be forcing any trades. Trade smart, trade safe.
How long have I been trading? Honestly, I don't even know at this point. Long enough to get tired of it occasionally. have to
A trim zone, guys. Trim zone.
There you go.
Stop loss and break even. I'm looking for 21452 touch.
Yes, and on my account, you're crazy, bro.
No, tú no estás ya. Quiero ahora stop out break even. Small green traders.
yeah, too much,
Now we lose for one.
too many sales up above.
I'm gonna try the Tesla along 350. Anyone still trades in the middle and try and Tesla along at 350.
Just about to say, we watching this or what?
Appreciate
Yeah.
that.
Trying the Tesla alongs 350.
Andrea. So how's everyone's morning been on YouTube? Drop them questions. Also, real quick, we need like 50 something more thumbs up to reach 100. Then we're done with that for the day. I like this 15-minute range so far. Would be perfect for my game plan. If we stayed in this range, then we confirm our entry from the downside. This would be ideal.
Oh, I need to get my. There we go. Hello, Jay Quinn. It's the area right here. This is it. This is the area. Like 350 to 349. If it fails at 347, you have to be out. So if we get high a day, it's over a 1 hour trade.
Oh,
Jake Quinn, the man, the myth, the legend from the podcast. Was the entry on Tesla.
bot's coming along well.
47.3 has to be the hard stop area. If we get a 5-minute close, we're starting to look weak. We may stop a little earlier, but I did try that Tesla.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna look in price action. Maybe we're gonna wait for 452. But this 415 is playing difficult right now. We have the VWAP here, the QQQ VWAP also.
What's Greg saying? I couldn't even hear.
So we already took a small green, one red, so let's see.
Oh, Grizzly, that's the worst.
Man, I was so mad. I just gave up on it for a minute. I'm like, I'll come back to this in a few days.
The worst, man.
And it wasn't no short video either. It was, took some time.
I don't like that 5-minute candle on Tesla whatsoever. Still, got my 350, 349 position.
I recorded the the Grizzology video with all the updates,
Just something light.
and I recorded it without my mic on. So I'm gonna have to completely redo it, and I just took a break. It upset me, to be honest. Forget this. I'll come back to it.
So you might not have been lying. Like gold longs. I have nothing on NQ yet. Got our first 15 minutes playing out. So I'm just
Frankie, I would not take it because it's the first 5-minute candle.
Tesla. See if we get that.
And let me show you something else.
Not looking great at the moment.
Let me show you something, Frank.
Aggressive push up. Have the previous resistance turned to potential support at 350s.
Let me mute Team Bull where I can actually talk for a second. Let's see. Where we at here? I'm gonna turn that off for a second. See how we wicked up on this? We wicked all the way up here on this candle. Even if this wasn't the first 5-minute candle, I mean, it's just not ideal, right? Barely closed above. You can see we have some aggressive selling right here to pull us back. And it's the first 5 minute. But I got to focus on this trade that's about to confirm. That's why I always tell people, indicators are great tools, but you have to use common sense with them or they're just not going to work. It's just the facts. I need to start doing trade recaps again for sure.
Racking some change loss to start the day.
Is anybody in a trade?
Granted, we're trading equity, so
Is anybody in a trade on Team Bull?
minimal risk compared to options, but still, it's annoying.
Look in the shorts.
Is anybody? Do you not hear me?
I can hear you. I can hear you.
Jersey, baby.
Jadon, can you hear us?
Sorry. Whoops. Sorry, Grizzly.
All right, we gotta. Everyone's focused in here. This is gonna be a short entry coming up.
Yeah, we lose 415. That was lucky. It's gone now. He's gone. So the next level I have below, guys, 320. Daily level, main daily level, 320. 21320.
We're going back to our baby NQ. Going back to our baby NQ and Spy. Where is...
Okay, guys, let's see what happened at 394.
If someone takes any other trade than this short entry, I'm watching.
No other trades. Just Tezzy doing me dirty.
Need this candle to close, come back up, retest around that pre-market for a possible short. Pre-market low. Pre-market low is 21,393. If we're patient enough, we could probably get it to align with the orb retest as well from the downside. So it would be like trend plus orb, 15-minute orb. Ah, it's not gonna pull back. Come on.
Setup looks solid for us. Pop, and then do a little pullback action.
This setup here and the hourly supply I posted in the admin watch list is the only setups I like today. All right. We'll be at 360.
Come on, give us our setup. Market needs to stop being disciplined. Needs to choose dopamine, give us a pop up so we can rip it back down.
You guys looking the short entry soon. Looking price action around 402, 401. Close, maybe 400. Yeah.
I'm watching everyone. No entry yet. Let's watch this 5-minute candle. I'm watching price action here. We have been getting some mean reversals right underneath pre-market low. We have to be patient.
What a crazy candle.
No entry for me yet. No entry for me. That's why I like to see prime example here. We retest that pre-market low, 15-minute low. I want to see us move up, wick, and then keep the stop above the wick.
We're touching 415 NQ, but look at this trend. This was a liquidity, big liquidity, looks like. What a crazy candle, guys. Let's see if we stay above 415 to the NQ ounce. What? Testing NQ ounce, guys. NQ ounce.
That's not me that tried NQ longs. That was Greg. No, I'm not looking to chase this big green candle. Let's wait on a 15-minute range.
Recover 415 and we stay away. Reason why I'm testing NQ ounce.
You see anything like Brandon?
Not right now, no. I was watching that Tesla, but I didn't like the confirmation.
I'm being patient here, YouTube. Stay focused. There's a setup here. We just gotta wait. Wait on confirmation.
Yeah, most certainly no short entry for me. Most certainly no short entry.
Just block out the noise. Let's focus. Short entry still valid for me. We just gotta get confirmation. They're still talking. I mean, they're still unmuted. They're just not talking. I think maybe I muted them. I'm not for sure. Get ready, everyone. I'm watching closely. I will be trading M and Q if I take it trade.
Again, clicking press action. See what happens. If we close the loss or not. Well, guys, closing the loans. Didn't work. I'm done for today, guys. This is crazy.
Curious to see if we close below these moving averages and pop back up. We'll look for a short.
All right, everyone. Watching here. Try some shorts.
Good to go.
I'm at
Tried 'em with you.
M and Q shorts.
Shorts.
Tried 'em with you.
390 average.
Grizz Grizzly in the shorts. I actually like that idea too. I want to see a little more, but I like it with you. Give Grizzlies move down. Come on. And Brando.
354 would be a good sell spot.
Six. 100. I did a small piece of shorts up with you too up there.
Hopefully we get continuation out of this one. We didn't get no continuation yesterday. I caught one trade live on here with you all, made some money. Then I caught another trade with Team Bull, made some money, but no continuation. 20 points on each. It would stop me out at my entry after my first trim.
The ad spot up here. 200 is the main spot.
My coffee is already cold.
20 or so you.
No, don't be anxious. Stress-free morning, everyone.
For take profits.
My hard stop is setting at 427. I have my hard stop at 427, everyone. 427's hard stop. And position accordingly. I've got a warmer for my coffee. I just never put it on my desk. Too much clutter. I'm always afraid I pull it off or something. That candle was not ideal, but gonna let this play out.
I don't love that 5-minute candle. I'm okay with it because it has lower volume. Would have had a higher volume, increased buyers there. Not even ideal, but I still don't don't love that we're holding this 400, so we'll see.
Don't you do it. Do not hit my
I'm
stop.
a bad luck charm today. Yeah, Brando.
Come on, Brandon. Cheers.
Sorry, everybody.
Next time I'm gonna block you.
That's funny. Greg blocks Brandon so you don't get bad luck.
Yeah, man. See, Brandon
We
is.
just hang around in this area back and forth. There's nothing really I can do. The short was worth the risk for me, for sure. It was worth the risk for me.
I still like short. I mean, I still like our entry. If we hit a stop loss, we followed the plan here.
Building above 400. Don't love that.
No averaging down. Let's follow the plan. Just leaving it where it's at. Same average. I've only bought in once from when I told you all. So. Yep, days we have Fed speakers. I've said this for years to you all. Harder to trade. Just part of it. I thought you all got tired of me saying that's why I've not been saying it as often, but I used to say it every day. Fed speakers make trading horrible that day if you have a ton.
Come on, move down.
Nice.
I'm going to take part of it off here at 380 just to be safe from that 400 area add. So I took part off there. I like to see the rest down to 350. So I didn't love that. I move up, but I am holding a majority of my position. Took a little off there.
Technically, this candle closing below that 15-minute range would be confirm the downside on the orb as well. If you're looking for like the retest, close below.
That 400 area add. Got one trim. 380. I'd like to see us get 350. That'd be a solid 3R right there.
Give us 355. That's what we want. 355 or 356. We'll say 356.
Come on. I still have my hard stop set as well. I'm gonna move those down a little too. I'm gonna move those down to 415. Just in case. Save myself 12 points.
I don't see any reason we shouldn't get low a day, everyone. Unless, we get a random tweet or something.
Points here, 400.
There we go. Keep pushing. Give us low day.
Give us low day, baby. Come on.
Come on, just give it to us.
Come on.
You know you want to.
30 plus points right here. 30 plus points right here. It's for how I trade.
Wow.
Bid trim. I'm going to keep my stops at break even now. If we don't break this low here, I am going to stop my position at break even.
Give us that price target.
Hard stops are set at break even. Hard stops are set at break even. How we let it ride.
Can anybody make any money from this so far? You get any trims in? Don't let, if you trim, don't let it turn red on your YouTube.
Hard stops are set at break even.
I spoiled you all too much managing my trims. Oh gosh. I haven't trimmed at all. I'm so light in this, everyone. This trade has potential to move quite a ways, but we had a little more drawdown than I like to go full size. I mean, a little more risk, I should say. But yeah, 20-point trim should be where you all should aim, in my opinion. It's just my opinion with NQ when you're trimming.
You know, if you sell about 200 NQ right now, we will get that low a day.
Go.
You just got to do
Pump
it
it.
for smoke out.
Pump it. Got one trim off, baby. Now we're just letting the rest cool. When the rest cool.
That's awesome, Harold. Harold got the $2,250 payout secured. That's awesome.
My
Love
hard
to see it.
stops are break even, guys.
If you all want to try a funded account company, go to grizzlytrades.com. Check out Take Profit. Use code Grizzly. One of the best in the game. I'm telling you.
Yeah, I'm still here. Just looking price action.
Hard stops are in, so I'm gonna use the restroom quick. I'll be right back. My hard stops are in. I have no take profits set, but hard stops are in for stops at break even. Hopefully we don't get some nuclear move down while I'm gone. You pay me like your life depends on it. If so,
We might. We might get that move down quick here. I mainly focus on NQ trading, everyone. Don't let the trade turn red on you, YouTube. Do not. If you trimmed. If you trimmed. Price action has not been the best today so far. Just looking at it.
I stop at break even or
I don't like longs at all. It may print for you, but like, oh, I don't. Still short. If you trimmed and stuff,
helps team bull one down.
you should be already out. You know, you should have hit your entry if you took an entry with me. Because we had, what, 30 point move down from our entry? Just look at this price section, though. Isn't that this horrible price section? Like, it just trying to, like, confuse everyone here. I didn't mean to hit 15 second. Hit 15-minute, I want to see something.
Well, good management of that trade. Got one solid trim and then stopped the rest to break even.
Oh yeah, I'm still in, everyone. But like I said, YouTube, don't follow me on this one. I'm super light. I'm looking for that big move down. If I don't get it, it's not going to hurt me. I'm not going to do without. So that's why I told you all, the 20-point trims stops at break even after you trim.
Shouldn't.
Because honestly, so far, nothing's really making sense with price action other than the entry we got and that move down we got. That's the only thing I've seen that made sense so far. Everyone clear on this? I'm still short. But if you manage your trade the way we usually do, which I guess I was leaving it up to you all, you should already be out.
Yeah, guys, we have a new forward level 393, so we are above. I forgot to mention that. 393 for our level. So we are just above that guy. So I'm deleting now 415. We have been touching this level several times, and now 393 is taking over.
look at the volume here. Are you all watching volume on this?
It's learning. I know what I did wrong. I know what happened. Yeah, 10 a.m. we formed this new level 21393. And they record.
Yeah, something's off. We got go pumping, this going up. It's interesting.
I put 27 to a T. Let's see what we do.
I'm holding shorts, everyone. I'm telling you all.
You still in your shorts, Grizzly?
Oh yeah, I didn't even trim at 30 points. I'm so light though. The way we usually manage trades, you should already be out if you took this trade with me. I'm so light. I want that big move down because below that pre-market low, we got below the low day, we got some serious downside room. So gold's pumping, NQ's pushing up. What's going on? I actually considered adding to my position, but I don't think I will. Just gonna let this small position ride out. If we break out, my stop loss is right above VWAP, everyone. Just right above. Not looking for the close, looking for the actual touch. Yeah, there's a ton of speakers, Tony. That's why that's the price action we're getting. Plus we got let me check something. We got another Fed speaker at 1 today as well. Let's see if I can find the data for tomorrow. Not a whole lot going on tomorrow, believe it or not. Thursday we have initial jobless claims, all that good stuff.
Hope it gives you your move down, Grizzly Block.
Yeah, I hope we get it. I'd like to see the 356 and below that. The 21,300 area should see that. Well, 21,308.
Oh, guys, remember this level 21393. The new 4-hour level. Can you hear me?
It's starting to look good again. I don't like that we're holding 400 that key level. That's frustrating, but just speaking on price alone, we're rejecting that midline to define the risk of a 427. Let's see. No new entries, but it is starting to look appealing.
What about YouTube? Do you all see any setups you like?
No new entries, but it is appealing.
This price section's horrible. Horrible.
Added back in at 410. Keep stops at 427. So
What'd you take?
Basically, we get shorts.
Oh, you got back in shorts?
Yep, I'll basically be giving back most of my profits from the first trade.
Jadon said he got back in shorts, everyone.
This wick here as our lower high. Added back those shorts.
I like it, to be honest, but if you already made money off the first trade, just call it today. Call it a day. This price action isn't it.
Potential lower high here, then move down a low day, or it stops me up for 17 or so points. There's a lot of risk reward on this trade if it goes our way. Basically, you can get back that previous trade trim profits I had.
I always like seeing what you all are watching. It's interesting to me. All the different trading styles and stuff. Love it. Let's just be patient, everyone. I won't low a day.
20 points so far.
Nice re-add on that, Jenna.
Thanks, bro. 25 points so far. 30 points so far.
We want 100. Give us 100-point trade.
I'm gonna keep my stops at break even now. If we don't get this move down here, then my idea was wrong. So basically at this point, we now have a trade that we have a risk-free entry, we have a risk-free position that we'd like to see move down further, or it stops me out. And you're still at 12 points at this moment. You can take your profits if you see that fit. I need more of it. I wanted at least 35 points to make it a solid 2R. But again, you're up 15 points right here, almost 20 points. I'd like to see lower, but at worst case, we got a risk-free ad, and we got a risk-free position, which is, basically a free lunch with maybe a free dessert. 410 ad. So it's up 15 points right now. It's just simply not enough for me to trim. Simply not enough for me to trim. And why? If we have a risk-free ad, right? Got that re-entry, stops are at break even, hard stops are in, so even if it goes against me, it's like I didn't take the trade. Best case is we get that move down and we get a really good trade to the downside. And if you see fit, you're up 20 points here. You can trim. You can enjoy your money. Actually, I'm going to move my stops a little into profit too, just because I don't love this PA, so I'll make a little something on it. Break even or slightly into profit for your stops. At absolute max, I want your stops at break even. If you took that re-add.
So, Luke, for instance, actually, it'd probably be better if I just send you like a thing that shows the profits. So each point on NQ, Hold on one sec, Luke. I'm playing phone tag. I keep missing this person.
May regret it, but I'm gonna go ahead and take my profits down here. May regret it, but I just don't like how this PA is being choppy, so I went ahead and took that off at around 13, 14 points, got filled. So still 10 points of profit right here. You can keep your stops at break even if you'd like, but not as great a PAs. I'd like to see not as much follow through. So I did end up taking my profits down there. Overall, in total trims, it's almost 50 points.
Okay. So NQ $20 per point. So with each 1 point move, that's 20 if you're trading NQ. Let's watch this, everyone. This is a crucial key level. We need to lose this push down.
Stops at break even or moved into profit if you're still in. So
It's trying to stop everyone out. It's not going to stop me today. It's either going to hit my stop at VWAP or I'm going to hold till low day. And then some, probably. If we get low day out of this, Brandon said he's buying everyone some steaks. So
Brandon buying. Oh, you're funny.
Think you're funny, bro?
me, I wasn't being funny. I'm serious.
And
I think I'm pretty funny, for sure.
I don't think so.
Like, I'm hysterical.
This trade's gonna put me to sleep.
Still like the shorts. I just don't like how we keep chopping.
That's hilarious. You ever stop out of a trade because of boredom? You all should have made some money with Jadon on that other entry, though. Decent move.
Guess what? I'm gonna be with y'all till at least another 2 hours or so. We're having a full streaming day today.
How we doing, YouTube? How's everyone doing that's just joining us? I don't like this price action at all, everyone. At all. No, Luke, I'm kind of easy on it, to be honest. It's got too much power to get on too much, get away from you. It's gonna stop me up, or it's gonna print.
Days like today. This is exactly why I like to take my trims quick, keep stops appropriately at break even.
No, that's not part of my strategy, everyone. If we push up the VWAP, I'll be out.
393 level strong. The new 4-hour level.
Break above VWAP, I'm out, everyone. I will be out if we do.
Just got from that level. It was good. Anyone scan 393 level? The new 4-hour
Not a
level?
lot of continuation.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
coming.
gosh.
It finally got me out of the trade, everyone, after all that chop.
See if it gives us upside entry now. If it just goes back and forth here. We got some profits to play with.
It's always the days of the Fed speakers.
Yeah, beautiful level, man. Beautiful skull. So Sebastian took 393. That's nice game. The next level is the one that you're about to touch, 452. Is the one that we reject. That's the one that I was looking at the beginning when we took the longs. 21452. We reject. This has been a daily level playing hard since last week because it's a daily week zone. So guys, analysis is right. It's just the price action liquidity they're playing hard.
Gonna be honest, I don't like anything else.
Hey, Grizzly, what is your supply this time? What is the number?
I don't have supply for a long ways. Like around previous day high area, like 21,544.
Yeah, because I have 452, you know. took the loans from 393. That's good, man. I took a quick call just to recover some of the loss.
I'm telling you all, I don't see why we haven't pushed down yet. It just doesn't make sense to me. We grabbing some liquidity before we sell off to low a day? Like,
The next will be wait.
but the market's right. I'm wrong. So
452, see what happened because we have the next level above 41, 47. So let's see what happened here. At 452, it looks they're getting ready to break it. If they stop just before, they're consolidating there. Maybe they're getting power to break this level. If they break this level, so we have two 4-hour levels above. One level is a 47 and the other level is a 481. 2141, 21487. So interesting. This is an interesting spot.
I need to sell some.
Two levels,
Put.
2 4-hour levels together, so it's a good confluence. Do you copy the levels, guys? The ones that I just mentioned, 487 and 481. What are they? 4-hour levels. I'm mentioning 4-hour levels. So 452. Let's see if they want to grab the liquidity above 452 or break 452. Let's see what's the plan. If you see the 1-hour chart, there is a lot of liquidity above 452. Actually, the liquidity is around 41, 47, the 4-hour levels. So maybe they're heading to these guys. You guys are about to touch 452 now.
What? Sad. Everyone to be in my DMs now. You should have trimmed 30 points profit or 20 points. I wanted more. What can I say? I wanted more. think I'm gonna go have a big steak after we get off here.
Projecting now 452. So what's the plan?
May even put on some clothes today. Get out of the tank top and dad shorts. Throw on a Rolex. Go somewhere nice. I'm thinking probably strip. I still don't like upside. Call me crazy, but this doesn't make sense. The chart doesn't to me. In days like this, when it doesn't make sense to me, it's doing the opposite. Typically, it's not going to respect technicals most of the day. So, do I like ribeye? I do. Try to eat a little bit leaner if I can, though.
Let's see. Personally, right now, the only thing I'd be looking for after this aggressive move up is for a pullback in calls. If we end up or longs, if we go back down and start moving downward again, then I got nothing. I will not be chopped up. I will not be chopped up.
Pretty boring price action today.
Yeah, I like sirloin. It's usually steak or sushi for me.
Yeah, gold is ripping today. Nice.
No, I'm not in a short. I got stopped out. I got greedy. I didn't trim it. We was like, what, 30 points in profit? I didn't trim. I was holding for low day and it come up. Stopped me out. Y'all were just right in between pre-market high and low. Just hanging out.
All the signs are pointing. We can hold this zone in here to move up. We'll see if we can break back down. Get a retest of 420 area. If we end up bouncing this, moving up, good for longs. If we consolidate in here, no trades for me then at that point until break of the higher, break this low.
My favorite steakhouse in Tennessee. There's a Fleming's here I like. Fleming's is solid. There's also a restaurant in Knoxville downtown. It's called Lonesome Dove. It's pretty cool. I get the buffalo ribeye there. I was on my personal account, J Alex. I was trading in very light MNQ.
This is your routine morning reminder to choose discipline over dopamine, guys. Stay focused, stay locked in.
Man, this 452. This 452. Jesus, what a rejection.
There's a fair value gap we're pushing down into, everyone.
7,400.
Anyone took 452?
No, it didn't give us quite deep of a pullback. The market is on dopamine. That's a fact. It's not obeying anything.
It's good, Tony.
Not obeying anything.
Oh, Trump is speaking right now. Makes sense. That's what it is. That is what's going on. Appreciate it, Austin. Glad you stopped in to say hi at least. That's what I'm saying, Nate. I feel that. Well, they just dropped in the Team Bull chat. I seen two different people say is speaking. So I didn't see it personally. I'm just going by what they told me. So. Thank you.
Wouldn't drive this side.
No, that's a good question, Paula. I don't know if I have a good answer. So Well, we bearish. It just made sense on the charts. We got room. We had quite a bit of sellers above. I'm not set. I'm just trading my strategies. Just trade strategies is all I can do. I still think we see low day today by looking at the chart.
Do something, NQ.
I could be wrong. So far, price action just hasn't made sense. We haven't respected technicals well. First break below pre-market. I don't take breakout trades often. Breakout trades can turn around on you the quickest. They're higher risk. It's better to wait on retracements, retest.
Okay, guys, 452 play again. I took some risk call there. I'm gonna be leaving now.
Got here, Greg?
Yes, sir.
Take it easy, Gray.
Thank you. Yeah, these 21452 and 21393 strong levels, guys. I'm gonna took some quick scalps there. So see you tomorrow.
See you, bro.
Take care, Brandon. Take care, Jadon. Take care.
Peace out, brother. Grizzly.
See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Considering it, Ryan. I'm watching this closely. You lost 25% of your account. Sorry to hear that. Your position should never be, your position size should never allow you to lose that much. Ever. Your max risk, 1 to 2% of your account on loss.
Aggressive move to the downside.
I'm watching for another short entry. The most common thing I see or experienced on days that we have a lot of Fed speakers is more drawdown in trades than typical. Stops us out before making a move. That could be exactly what we see here. Or stop me out at least. We was 30 points in profit. I was just holding out for the bigger move. So wanted a low day and we missed it by like 10 points or so.
This price action is gross.
Alright, here's the plan. This price action sucks, so I'm gonna leave.
You out of here, Brandon?
Yeah. I
Let's
gotta
get back
sign
to the
up.
host. Let's get back to the host. Hold on.
What's up?
I was just taking back the host so it didn't end.
Oh yeah, true. But Everybody trade safe, trade smart. Peace out.
See you, bro. Does this count as BSI? That's a good question. See, this is just so frustrating. Now we're bouncing off the 15-minute low again and aggressively pushing up. Non-choppy market, I'd like to look for a short entry if I don't want to get whipsawed and accordion back and forth and back and forth. Scalpers day, yes, it's been good for some scalps. We've clearly seen that, but trend continuation day, not so much so far. Don't.
You have any individual ripping? I haven't been looking. Oh, yan. Yan.
Let's do it. Let's get on the podcast.
Tried shorts one more time, everyone. My last trade. Back in M&Q shorts.
Try one piece of shorts with it too. Why not? Just a baby piece. I'm still ending my day green.
This market has
10 I'll enter. I have a limit at 410.
not respected technicals the best today.
Tried to short with you. $4.10 stops at 4. 4.21. Tried the shorts with you. with some strength. Come on.
Just give us a 100 point 1 minute candle straight down. That's it.
Tears. No more tears. For about a minute, then we can do whatever. Questions feel free to ask. Don't. This PA just booty cheeks. Not the good ones either.
Eve, I'm in a trade, but this price action is not it today.
Price action is terrible. Just in the 15-minute range, back and forth, back and forth.
It looks good though if we can just get the technicals to make go along with us. I really like the setup. It's just
Still think we can hold these lows.
it's worth the risk here, but
it looks like from the chart. But at this point, who knows?
I don't expect it to change much. There's very little risk on this trade for me with my position size.
No reason. Well, if you pull an account based on slow losses down, that happens in the game, right?
I gotta focus while trading, everyone. I'll answer questions once it's over. Trying to give us a sniper entry on these shorts.
Don't. This price action is absurd.
Yeah, I'm about to close this trade at entry if it don't get out of this little range we're in.
Me too, bro. Just not it, man. Just not it. There's no. Whenever we sit here and consolidate in this 15-minute range, we caught two decent trades, but sitting back and forth here, there's just no trades. So. Need to
My hard stop, everyone's 431. I got VWAP there. I
stops my
431, 432 area.
18. Thought they were gonna run for me. Give me an extra $100.
If it stops me out, I'll just go on about my day.
Indeed, did not buy lunch. It's only 9:20. Only be here for a while too. At least another hour. Y'all are stuck with me. We're having a longer streaming day.
You are right. I'm trading too long today, Kevin. I should already be driving to eat my steak. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna leave my stop at that 432 on this trade, everyone. I'm still aiming for low a day. If it stops me out, oh well, go on about it and come back tomorrow. Like I said, the Fed speakers got price action weird. We've just been consolidating. Tough morning. I may go live tomorrow. Who all will be able to show up if I go live in the morning? Everyone knows where my stop is, correct? 432. I'm going to put it at 432 exactly, okay? Everyone in this trade, I want you to make sure you understand. Don't let it get out of hand. If we get back above VWAP, let's call it a day. And we do have some, if we can lose these buyers, or lose pre-market low again, we got some serious downside room. But I appreciate you all, and yeah, peace.